Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 tips and tricks for the Poco F7 Pro. And the first thing I want to show you is you can search meanwhile visually here at the phone. So if you see something here may on a website, you can look for it. Just long press here the home button and then just circle here maybe the head of this guy. And then the phone will tell you this is David Beckham, the former football player. If you want to have more information, like maybe what he's wearing, as well, just long press it, mark the closest of him, like this, and the phone will tell you he's wearing a polo jacket from Ralph Lauren. Pretty nice. The next feature I want to show you is for your display settings, because you can increase the quality here of videos like at Netflix and so on. Let me show you what I mean. So just tap here on the settings. Then go a bit below to the point display and brightness, and you will have a bit below first of all the display resolution. Actually it's on FHD+, but just go here to WQHD+, then you have really the maximum. It takes a bit more energy, but it's okay, so you have a nice experience then here at the movie. And what I recommend to you as well is to go here to AI image engine as well, and you can set up the super resolution, because if the resolution of the video is not that great, you can use AI to upscale the resolution of the video. Let's go back one step here. Same with HDR. You can add HDR here at the videos if you enable this feature. Let me go back one step, and with this one here, you can add some more frames per second. If the video has just a few frames, you can add some more and the video is becoming more smooth and so on. So pretty nice. Of course, I have to tell you this as well. All the three features are taking, of course, a bit more battery, but you will have the really best experience here with watching movies and videos here at the phone. And if you want, you can clone apps here with the phone. So that means if you're having more than one TikTok account, you don't need to switch always within one app. No, you can just create a second app for it. Same with WhatsApp. Maybe if you have inserted 2 SIM cards here, then you can have a second WhatsApp account for your second number. And even with games, you can clone the gaming app and have 2 accounts there. Let me show you what I mean. So for that, just tap here on the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point apps. And you will find the point dual apps, and tap down on create, and then we will have here a list which one gives us the apps which one are able to clone. Okay, let's clone maybe here WhatsApp. Just tap here, go then here on dual apps, tap here, go then here as well and turn on, and the phone will clone now WhatsApp. So we will have a second WhatsApp now. And let's clone as well here Facebook. Just tap here, go back. Let's take maybe also your Clash of Clans, the game. It's also possible, or now example TikTok as well here, and so on and so on. Let me show you how you can recognize these second apps and where are they. Here at the desktop page. Here's my main WhatsApp account and here's my second one. My main Clash of Clans account and my second one, and you can recognize always the second app here with the orange mark. By the way, Facebook and TikTok are here at more apps. These are the main apps here. It's already arranged here of Poco, and here shows my main TikTok account, and here's now my second one, and you can always recognize it, as I have said, with the orange mark here. So pretty nice. And you can go a bit further, because you can clone more apps on a complete different level, because you can clone the whole phone. So you can have with one phone something like 2 phones. So a phone with 2 spaces. Maybe one space for your private stuff and the other space for your business stuff. Or one space for your private stuff and the other space for your very private stuff. Okay, let me show you a bit more about. So for that, just tap here on the settings. Then you need to go to the point additional settings. And a bit below you will find now the point second space. So turn on second space first. So 2 spaces, 1 device. Tap here on continue. So now you have to choose how you want to go to the second space later. Using a password is recommended. So what is the best option, by the way? go then here on continue. And now we have to set a password for the second space. For that, go on set now. So first of all, we need to confirm the first space password is nothing else than the phone pin, so the one to unlock the screen with, no? In my case, 4 times the 1. Okay, go on next now, also please take yours. Huh? Okay, go then on next. And I can create a second space password. So I would take now 4 times the 9. Okay, go on continue. I hope you had a better pin than me. Now we have to re-enter it just for the safety. So 4 times the 9 in my case. Please take yours. Go then here on OK. So now we can add also fingerprints and so on. I will skip this part. You can do it later. And we have to give permission here to our storage. Go on allow. Okay, and here we are. Add a second space. But first of all, let me go back here to our main space. So for that, I enter just 4 times the 1. I've told you that is my phone pin here. And we are here at the main space. So the cloned apps and so on, or with the apps in general. I've even here some pictures at my gallery and so on. And now let's enter the second space. So for that, I just go here on standby on my phone again and enter now not 4 times the 1, so my phone pin. No, I enter now the second space pin, 4 times the 9. And here we are at the second space. Completely independent, so no apps here, and yeah, also no pictures yet in my gallery. All the pictures I'm taking here with this camera at the second app are only visible here at the gallery of the second space. And also all the websites I'm surfing on are only visible here at the browser history at the second space. I can have your own apps, even WhatsApp and so on, and as well the notifications are only visible here at the second space. The only thing what appears on both spaces are the calls and the text messages. So if you have the number here at the contact list of the second space, the number will only appear at the first space. That's the only thing. But the rest is, yeah, pretty nice. Yeah. Let me go back to continue the program. So I enter now 4 times the 1 again. I'm back here into my main space. And yeah, the next feature is pretty nice and gives you much more opportunities if you want to explain something on videos, maybe for Instagram or TikTok and so on, because you can install a teleprompter. So let me show you a bit more about. Let's go into the camera. Let's go into video. Let's change it here to the front cam. By the way, now you know how I'm working here. And yeah, if you want to enable a teleprompter, just tap here on the arrow and tap here on the T symbol. Now you're having here the teleprompter and you can read the text easily, and it goes step by step automatically. And yeah, you can just speak and read, and no one really realizes that you read something because you're looking directly to the camera, what is pretty awesome. And of course you can create your own text here and import texts documents, so from Word and so on, and as well text files here. So pretty nice, and your videos will be much more professional. And here you can adjust it a bit with text size and as well the scrolling speed. If you speak a bit slower, then make it slower, and if you speak faster, like me sometimes, but I hope you understand me, then you can increase it here. So pretty nice, that tool. And if you want, you can increase the charging speed here at the phone. So anyhow, which power adapter you're using, if it's Xiaomi charger from Poco, or if it's a Samsung charger, you can increase the speed. Just tap here on the settings, go then here to battery, here it is, and go then here on charging options, and we need to tap here wired charging mode. Actually it's on standard, but if you're going on top speed, the phone will squeeze out the maximum of your charger. As more watt it has, as faster it is. So now your phone will be charged more fast than before. The next feature I want to show you is for your health, because you can check the heart rate here at the phone. For that, just tap here on the settings, scroll down to the point additional settings, and a bit below here you will find the point heart rate. As you can see, the flashlight is now turned on, and you will have here a little instruction, what is not so good here at the phone, the instructions. So just put your finger now like this here on the phone. So the first part is laying on the two cameras here, and the middle part, in my case, is here on the flashlight. Then you're waiting for 30 seconds or at least 15 seconds, and then you can see here at the phone, if I measure right, yeah, now you can see it, the phone is measuring here the BPM, and yeah, you see now the bar below which one grows, and the phone will give me the BPMs then. But important is that you don't speak during this time, like in my case. So I should have a wrong one here. Just go here later on view report, and then you will see here your result. So just an example how to do it. Yeah, again here without no flashlight. So put your finger here on that cam and on the second one, and lay it as well here on the flashlight, and then you will have a good result if you don't speak during this process. And if you want, you can take also a picture here of the screen, so a screenshot, and for that you have several ways for. Let me show you the two best ones, and one of them is with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together, and you're having a screenshot. After you can see directly the preview, and you can send it directly to WhatsApp, also with WhatsApp, to friends, and with Telegram, and so on and so on. One more time, the power button and the volume down button, just for short together, and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the preview, you have also the chance to draw something inside here or to highlight something. Or pretty nice, at the corners, you can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. Now, after, just confirm it here at the checkbox, and it will be part of the gallery. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with 3 fingers. Just swipe them across the screen, and you're having a screenshot as well. Oh, cool. One more time. Take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen, and you're having a screenshot as well. What you can do is, if you want to cut out something here at the screen for a screenshot, just lay 3 fingers on the screen at the place where you want to have it, and then you can also cut out something here. Just mark it like this and like that, and yeah, after, just go here on save, and this cutout will be part of your gallery. Let's check it. Here they are. Pretty nice. The next point I want to show you is to save energy. If you want to save energy, just scroll down here below the battery symbol, and then you have here this battery icon with the plus in it, and then you have around 15% more time here of your battery running time. But you can squeeze out much more, what is pretty important if you have just a few percentage and want to go on for a few hours again. Let me show you a bit more about. So just tap here on the settings, go then a bit below on the point battery, and you have here the current mode, so the balanced one. Here we have the battery saver. So actually we are going here with 17 hours estimated, and yeah, we have almost then with the battery saver here 21 hours. And with this ultra battery saver, we will have something like 3 times of the regular running time. So just tap then here on OK to confirm, and yeah, many stuff will be turned off. You can choose as well if the location should be turned on and so on. And yeah, as you can see, the screen brightness is reduced to a minimum. You will have yeah, a dark theme here, what is saving energy, because the dark areas, the pixels are turned off here and so on, what saves a lot of energy, by the way. So the dark mode is also always nice. And the screen timeout, as you can see, is also pretty fast. And we have limited apps, but you can have some more if you're tapping on the plus symbol. Yeah, you can add YouTube and so on. Choose the stuff you want to have and so on. Go then after done, and then you have also more apps. You can even play games, yeah, but it should be not the very intensive one like racing games or something like this. And if you have the chance again to charge your phone, you can go out here on exit. So a pretty nice mode, and then you're back and nothing is deleted or something like this. And hey, this power saving mode, as I've said, this ultra power saving mode increases the battery runtime 3 times. So it can really save your life one day, so you should know about it. Yeah, we're almost at the end here of the video, and I want to show you a visual search again here at the phone, but this time with the camera. So just tap here on the cam and go then here on the point with the open square, and we've opened Google Lens. And Google Lens can tell us more about things like this one here. If I don't know what it is, I hover my phone over it, tap on the magnification, and then the phone tells me this is a paperclip. That gives you also some opportunities to buy it and so on. This works also for other stuff like coins maybe. I hover over the coin, tap on the shutter button, and it tells me it's a 20-cent coin and so on. This works as well for buildings, animals, plants and so on. You can know much more about it if you have no idea what it is. So pretty nice. And what you can do as well is here you have a translation mode. Just swipe like this here and you're on the translation mode, and if you're having a book like in my case now, you can hover it over it and it auto detects the language. Yeah, you can even save it here with the shutter button, what is pretty nice. And now you can work on it. No? Pretty nice for studies. Go here on select all and yeah, work on the text. Go here on listen. You can listen as well, isn't it? Pretty nice. And hey, if you're on holidays maybe and you're in a restaurant and don't understand any word of it, now you can just hover your phone over the menu card and you know what you will order then. So pretty nice for the studies, pretty nice for holidays, and yeah, so really amazing. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.